Have you ever heard about Sheena and Phillip? Sheena is a 25-year-old TikTok star. Every day she goes live with her bright wigs that look like they could light up a whole community, and her voice is so heavy it sounds like a big bass drum beat. But the truth is Sheena isn't normal. She has a mental disability that makes her extremely aggressive. This isn't just normal bad temper. One minute she's calm and the next minute she's ready to tear down the whole place. And the man she's with, Phillip, he is almost 70 years old with a bad foot that makes him walk funny. Whenever they go live together, it would look like a messed up father-daughter movie. People would always comment things like,
"I can't believe she did with her grandfather. This look wrong, bad."
But here's where it gets crazy. One day Sheena was so mad, she slapped Phillip twice so hard that he ended up in the hospital. Some people said it was because Phillip didn't give her any schmecks. Others said he was just talking too much that day. Either way, the man got boxed up and mashed up. Then came Jamie. Jamie is the biggest instigator on TikTok. Every time Sheena goes live, he jumps on with her because he knows she isn't stable, but he doesn't care. All he wants is views and drama, so he starts saying things like, Sheena looked right into the camera with her serious eyes and said, Jamie starts laughing loudly, clapping his hands like he's at a comedy show and says, But the viewers didn't find it funny. They started commenting things like,
"Jamie, you're wicked, you know? Stop hyper up."
Sheena need help, not your foolish encouragement.
You see you, Jamie? You're gonna make Sheena end up in a prison one day, watch.
Because the truth is, Sheena's behavior wasn't normal. She would beat Phillip, kick him down, fling things across the room, and even treat her cat badly. The poor cat was always trembling in her lap like it was saying,
"Janu, we open visit tomorrow."
And Jamie, he didn't care. He just sat there on live laughing and instigating because whenever Sheena started cussing and acting out, his views skyrocketed like a plane taking off. But if anyone ever really looked at Sheena closely, they would see that something was truly wrong. She was aggressive because of her condition. She couldn't control it. Today she would be laughing and combing her wig. Tomorrow she will be boxing down the same man who cooks her dinner at nights. And the saddest part, nobody around Sheena truly cared enough to get her real help. They just sat and watched the drama, typing in comments and laughing on the live. While Sheena's mind grew darker and darker every single day.
The same people them will take people's sadness for joke, soon find them cup empty.
Please follow, like, comment, share,